automotive family, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a car that is an absolute legend. Standing right in front of you is an unmatched masterpiece of Italian engineering, the Lamborghini Huracán. But as beautiful as it looks right now, its owner wanted a top-level makeover that goes far beyond this. We are talking about a custom full body wrap, custom wheel restoration, and exclusive graphics inspired by the world's most aggressive Lamborghinis. This isn't just a minor job, it's a highly detailed, stunning transformation spanning several days. So, let's get straight to work. To do a premium wrap the right way, you can't just tuck the edges, you have to strip the car down. Our team immediately jumps into the de-trimming process. Now onto the main event, the color transformation. For this Huracán, we chose stunning high-gloss premium yellow wrap. This color instantly screams speed and performance. To look at the front bonnet work, the Huracán has very sharp body lines and deep cuts, which means that our installers have to manage the wrap tension perfectly. One wrong stretch can distort the gloss finish. Moving past the bonnet, we hit the aggressive front bumper, tucking the wrap seamlessly around those massive air intakes and then smoothly laying it across the side fenders and doors. It's a slow and meticulous art, but look at how this yellow breathes brand new life into this supercar. We are taking the alloys off because they are getting a massive upgrade. The original finish looked a bit too plain for a supercar, so our paint specialists are giving them a premium mirror-like piano black paint job. And take a look at this. The center caps were missing from some of the original wheels. You can't drive a Lamborghini like that, so we ordered brand new, original Lamborghini logo center caps to pop into these freshly painted wheels. To make this car truly unique, we have an in-house specialist graphics designer who works exclusively on high-end supercars. Today, he is back with his custom decals. Our inspiration for the front bonnet comes straight from the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Featuring the iconic automobile Lamborghini text in bold lettering right across the front. We also added sporty side decals to the left and right corners of the front bumper, along with a custom black accent wrap right below the headlights to make the front end look even more muscular and wide. For the doors, the client wanted the number 69. Instead of using a standard font, we tracked down the exact font Lamborghini uses on their factory race cars. To keep it completely authentic, look at the precision of that alignment. Now, before we roll this beast out into the sun, we had one last essential upgrade to install. You can't drive a car that draws this much attention without the tech and security to back it up.
So, this is something that you don't see very often. This car, of course, and dashcam fitting in this car, of course. So, हम लोगों ने इसमें डाला है Air D Omnix D900. This is a dashcam. This has a Sony Starvis lens, 4K Ultra HD, and this comes with a GPS that you can monitor from anywhere inside your house. This comes with geofencing and इसमें SIM card support है, 5G SIM support करता है. तो आपकी जो भी लोकेशन है, आपकी गाड़ी की फेंसिंग जहाँ पे भी आपको लॉक करनी है, वहाँ पे आप डाल सकते हैं. Beautiful camera, made in India. Totally should check it out. Beautiful car, beautiful camera, beautiful store, beautiful us, beautiful you. Thank you so much for watching the video.
So there you have it, guys, the finished product. But from a regular supercar, this has been transformed into a complete track-inspired monster. That high-gloss yellow wrap, custom SVJ inspired bonnet, graphics, the 69 door decal in the official Lamborghini font, black headlight accents, gleaming piano black wheels with brand new logo caps, and the stealthy protection of that cloud-connected Omnix Air Dashcam. This Huracán is now fully ready to set the streets on fire and turn every single head. If you enjoyed watching this transformation as much as we enjoyed building it, don't forget to hit that like button. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This entire project was proudly executed by the expert team at Gopaljee Car Decor. If you want to upgrade your car to this level of perfection, visit our showroom in Handewadi, Pune, Maharashtra, or call us directly at 7350022333. Let's turn your car dreams into reality. Until next time.